So what do you do when your wife becomes super interested in gardening and is interested especially in mulching and planting rows of vegetables? You buy her a mini excavator. Hey everybody, it's Arl from Arl House, and today we're going to do a certain type of reveal here. You can see I got the big bow on this, and that is because my wife does not know that this machine in here is going to be for her. We're going to get her reaction when I open it up, see if she's comfortable with it, and see if this is a good fit for her gardening endeavors. So, you knew I had two of these, right?
Right.
But did you know this one is for you?
Really?
Yeah, really. So, I want to see whether or not this is gonna...
You put a bow on it?
I even put a bow on it. Yep.
Really?
Happy birthday, Mrs. Arl.
Cute.
Now, let's see whether or not this is going to be what you need for your gardening. So, why don't you let me start to unpack it, and then we're going to get your reaction. I feel like the father in the Christmas story opening up the lamp leg.
The lamp leg?
Yeah. All right, come around and take a look.
Oh, shoot. It's like the smaller version of that one.
All right, guys, I'm going to get the rest of the crate out, and then we're going to see how Mrs. Arl does on it. Check it over and make sure it's ready to go, and get it off the crate. All right, we got it all ready here. Let's see how Mrs. Arl does getting up on it. Go ahead, see how you fit on it. See if everything's comfortable for you.
You don't think it's going to tip over?
Nope. Pull on the handle. Nope, not right. Yeah, right there. See, you're good. This thing's over 1,000 pounds.
All right.
So you can move your seat forward and backwards. You're on the shorter side, so.
Yeah, I'm 5'1", so that's closer than the other. But then just pop in.
Now it is, right? There you go. All right, so you got good reach to your controls. Yep, your foot rests right there. I mean, it feels like everything is comfortable in terms of your position.
Yeah, right here. It has a nice cushion.
Okay. All right, so what we got to do now is start it. But before we do that, and you're going to do the inaugural start, we got to make sure it definitely has all its fluids. Now, I believe this to be the choke, although I don't know. This is going to be your throttle right here. So you can leave the throttle here. Bring that up a little, push it in, and bring it up just a hair. Push it, that's right. Yeah, just like that, that's good.
This one?
Yep. Pull the red lever up. That should be our choke. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Now you've got right there, you got to turn that to on. And turn the key. See if we got a good battery. Yep. Look at that. It's got a voltage meter there. I guess that's the hour meter as well.
Turn it.
Oh, I heard the fan go on. Yes, folks, there's a fan in there. I didn't see it, but that is good to know.
It was on top of this.
Oh.
That's what
All right, go ahead, crank it. Okay. I'm going to push this down because it doesn't sound like it needs much choke. Not bad, right?
Yeah.
All right, now, I'm gonna let you just, do you want me to get it off and then you wanna just try the different options, or you wanna try it while you're on here?
I don't know how to drive.
What's that?
I don't know how to drive.
You wanna drive it?
I don't know how to.
You don't know how to, okay. First things first, hold back on that one slowly. Nope, sorry, the other one. That one, pull that one up, back towards you. Go ahead, pull backwards. There you go. Keep going up, yep, all the way up. Let's go all the way up. Okay, now bring the other one, pull that one backwards towards you. Towards you. Just bring it in. You'll get used to, keep going. You can bring it as far, it's as far as it'll go. Okay. Now this is your blade. Your blade is gonna have to go up. That should be your middle lever. So just do it slowly, up or down. Pull backwards, I think. Pull backwards. No, towards you. Yep, there you go. Again, a little more. Okay. Now you can bring your throttle up just a little bit. You push that button in, yeah, go towards the front. You got to push the button and then go until you hear it go. Keep going a little more.
It snapped.
Oh, maybe the throttle. The throttle gets, oh, it's backwards. Sorry, backwards. Backwards is increase. Okay. We didn't know that. All right, so your tracks are gonna be these two. Now just go very slow backwards, all right?
So I just put it towards me?
Towards you, very slow.
But it feels like I'm outside.
Well, this is a little bit on an angle. Do you want, it's up to you if you want me to get it off or not. I think I might be better off taking it off, and then once it's on the ground, you can practice. Woo! All right.
Pick up the thing.
This isn't jerky, hon. That's good. Okay. I'm gonna give you a shot at trying a few things. You ready?
Wow. All right.
First, try it forward and backwards.
So this is the steering wheel?
Well, there's no steering wheel because you have to move each track individually. But if you want to go forward together, you do it together. If you want to go backwards together, you do it together. So you got a little bit of room back there.
Go back.
Keep-
There's no mirror.
No, no mirrors. All right, try going forwards again. All right, now try putting your blade down, which is the center one. No, that's up, so go the other way. There you go. Push it. That's okay. You want it a little bit, because that gives you stability.
Towards me?
Back a little bit, yep. There you go, perfect. Just leave it like that. Now you can try your functions. All right, so just, if you take the one on your left hand and you go left or right, it's gonna spin you. You can go fast, see if it goes faster, or is that supposed speed? Yeah, it goes all the way around.
Really?
Yeah.
Do they all do that?
Are you all the way over?
What do you mean? You want me to go faster?
You just, are you pushed all the way over?
I don't know.
See if it'll go more, like go as far as you can to the right or left. That's not bad. That's not bad, because it's not jerky. Yeah, nice, okay. Now your other functions.
So is it uncurling like the thing? Like, or will it mess up if I don't like continue like
No, it's designed to go all the way around.
anytime. Like, and I don't
You're
have to,
right,
like,
but
go
you're going to
back.
always want to dig from the front.
Right. Oh, so I can't like dig from this angle.
Well, you got to be careful because you could pull that way because you're less balanced, right? But it's you spin it to dump the dirt.
I don't go forward.
All right, so
Forward and backwards.
what's that?
Forward and backwards.
No, so now go ahead, push that forwards because that goes 4 directions. So just see what that does. See, that brings it out. That's as far out as it goes.
Like the other one. The other one.
What's that?
It's not like the other one. It shakes like this.
Yeah, exactly. I know. Is that back all the way? Okay. There you go.
I don't want to look fast.
And now your other one will curl the bucket. This one here. So watch, that'll bring it in. That'll bring that up and down. And that curls your bucket. And then what's really nice on this one is you can flip your foot pedal down.
Pedal down?
Yeah, flip it down. Is it that one? Yeah, flip this down.
Oh.
Now watch. Watch. Just do it slow. You'll see what it does. Push it forward and back. See, it pushes this, it swings this. So if you need to get into a tight area, that's all set. That's a function that they have on the big ones, which is a really nice one.
It go all the way. Does it go all the way around?
It won't go all the way around. It'll just go all set. It'll still, it's like if you had to get close next to a house or something like that. See? And really, it just takes time to get used to it, that's all.
If I want to dig that.
Now, if you wanted to dig it, well, I wouldn't do it off center here now until you're used to it, but yeah. So I would put it back, forward, straight. Nope, the other way. I think. Oh, sorry, yeah, down. There you go.
All right. My lip is shaking.
All right, I'm gonna go put her in the garage.
Okay.
All right, let's bring the throttle. We got an hour meter on here. All right.
Cool.
All right. All right, everybody. So that is the surprise. My wife seems more than capable of figuring out how to use it. It's going to take some time for her to practice. Initial impressions are really good. I like the fact that it's not nearly jerky like the other auction machines. And we'll get into some of the features and so forth later on. But I'm going to get in the garage because it looks like we're going to get a bunch of rain dumped on us. And at least keep one of these out of the weather. So I'll see you guys on the next video as we continue along with the new machines. Bye.